Today I'm going to the beach. I'm going to the beach. It's winter aside, but who wouldn't want to take advantage of this beautiful sun and go get some vitamin D? Let's go out there and enjoy life. Hey my lovies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you to the beach. Yes, the beach in Rina. It's Rina the side, and yeah, today we have the sun, and who wouldn't love some vitamin D? So instead of the usual walking, I've decided I'm gonna go to the beach, be zen, enjoy life. So you also do what makes you happy, do the little things that make you happy, enjoy life, and don't forget to take time out from your busy schedule to do those things. What amazing!
Not good. Yeah, I think not good, but when I look at
Oh God, it's mucky. The sun is up. Here we are, we're at the beach through the other entrance. We're at the beach through the other entrance. Check in here. You can go in here and sit. Go in here and sit. Check in here. Let's go to the beach under the sun. The sun is sunny. The sun is sunny.
Are you scared of me? You're not scared of me. Hi. Oh, they wanna be here. How are we gonna stop? How are we gonna do this? Cause
Better recognize.
some water.
The water is not going to come up to do it closer.
There. Ah. Inside you.
No way. It doesn't matter. Go.
Really, I get really. Really, I get really.
And then we went into a passage. We can take this route or this route to go to the point. Look, 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 look. Look, 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 look. It's a tunnel. It's a tunnel, a mystery tunnel. What are we going to find that side? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, sorry about that finger. Guess what? We are at the beach point, entrance to the beach point. Sandy Bay Beach. Sandy Bay Beach. Here we go. On this side. Been a wonderful time at the beach. This is all about just taking care of yourself, taking time out of your busy schedule and enjoying those simple moments without using any money. Because you always think that taking care of ourselves it has to do with money. Yes, money is important. I won't say it's not, but God provided natural, beautiful things for us to enjoy. Go out there, get some vitamin D, especially when it's cold. Center yourself and enjoy your life, guys. So yeah, it's been a wonderful time at the beach. Had so much fun. Sometimes it's not about, you know, the hecticness of something. It's all about the zen. It's all about the moments. Just taking time out of your busy schedule to enjoy your time, to gather yourself, to connect with nature, to heal, to explore. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Take care of yourselves. Get to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for your support, guys. I love you, but remember God loves you more. Bye.